The overview for EOS USDT is as follows. Trading style, spot. Time frame, midterm. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about 1 month between TPs. We recommend entering after a pullback. Entry point, 1.0179 to 1.0827. Take profit targets. Target 1, 1.2170. Target 2, 1.3882. Target 3, 1.6220. Target 4, 1.9033. Target 5, 2.3528. Stop loss. Stop level, 0.7209. Remember to move your stop loss to your entry or previous take profit after reaching any take profit. We recommend allocating 2 to 3% of your investment for spot trading to maximize participation while effectively managing risks. Disclaimer: this analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades. There is no guarantee of success in cryptocurrency trading, and you may lose all or part of your investment. We are not liable for any losses you may incur trading with this analysis or any other analysis we provide. Please trade with caution and responsibility.